Welcome to the channel, everyone. Right now we're in Phnom Penh, the heart of Cambodia. This city is a crazy mix of energy and peace. You've got these incredible ancient temples, but then, right next door there's this buzz of street life and modern everything. Over the next few days, we're going to be your guides. This isn't just about checking off tourist spots, it's about Phnom Penh. We're talking about the kind of experiences that stick with you, that make you see the world differently. So, grab your sense of adventure. We're about to dive into the top 5 places you absolutely cannot miss when you're in this incredible city. Let's go. Alright, first up is the Royal Palace. This place is like stepping into a history book. You can feel the weight of centuries here, the stories held in every intricate carving. We're talking pure opulence, gold everywhere you look. It's almost overwhelming, the detail. Look closely, you'll see these tiny, colorful pieces of glass woven into the walls, reflecting the sunlight. Make sure you check out the silver pagoda. It's not actually made of silver, but it gets its name from the floor, which is covered in over 5 tons of pure silver tiles. Crazy, right? And don't even get me started on the Emerald Buddha. It's this incredibly intricate statue, said to be carved from a single piece of crystal. Whether that's true or just legend, the craftsmanship is mind-blowing. This place is a must-see, not just for the history but for the art, the culture, the feeling of being transported back in time. This next stop is tough but so important. Tuol Sleng. It used to be a high school, but during the Khmer Rouge regime it was turned into Security Prison 21, a place of unimaginable horror. Walking these halls, seeing the photos of the prisoners, the instruments of torture, it's heavy stuff. It's a gut punch. A stark reminder of the capacity for cruelty that exists in humanity. But it's also a testament to the strength and resilience of the human spirit. The fact that Cambodia has come back from this, that life and hope have bloomed again in this place, it's incredibly moving. Take your time here. Listen to the stories. Reflect. This isn't a place to rush through. It's a place to remember, to learn, and to commit to building a better future. Alright, let's lighten the mood a bit and dive into the chaos that is the Central Market. This place is a full-on sensory experience. The smells of spices and street food, the colors of fabrics and souvenirs, the sounds of vendors hawking their wares. It's a whirlwind. We're talking everything from fresh produce to clothes, electronics, handicrafts. You name it, they've got it. This is where you come to find those one-of-a-kind souvenirs, the things you won't find anywhere else. And the best part? The bargaining. Don't be afraid to haggle a bit, it's all part of the fun. Just remember to keep it lighthearted and respectful. Get ready to practice your bartering skills and maybe get a little lost in the maze of stalls. Trust me, it's part of the adventure. Okay, after the craziness of the market, we're heading to a place of peace and tranquility. Wat Phnom. This is the temple that gave Phnom Penh its name, and it sits on top of a hill, right in the heart of the city. You can feel the energy shift as soon as you step onto the temple grounds. It's calmer here, quieter. Take off your shoes, show your respect, and just breathe it in. The main temple is stunning, with its ornate decorations and golden Buddha statue. But what I love most about this place are the smaller shrines scattered around the grounds. Each one tells a story, a piece of Cambodian history or mythology. Spend some time wandering, exploring, and just soaking up the atmosphere. This is the perfect place to escape the city buzz for a while and reconnect with yourself. Last but not least, we're ending our journey on the banks of the mighty Mekong River at Riverside Park. This place comes alive in the late afternoon, as locals and tourists alike flock here to escape the heat and enjoy the breeze coming off the river. Grab a drink, find a bench, and just watch the world go by. You'll see kids playing, couples strolling hand in hand, monks in their saffron robes. It's a beautiful slice of everyday life in Phnom Penh. If you're feeling adventurous, hop on a boat and take a cruise along the river. You'll get a whole new perspective on the city. This is the perfect place to unwind after a long day of exploring and just soak up the magic of Phnom Penh. So there you have it, our top 5 must-visit spots in Phnom Penh. This city is truly a gem, a place where ancient history meets modern energy in the most captivating way. Whether you're exploring majestic temples, delving into Cambodia's complex past, haggling for treasures in a bustling market, or simply soaking up the riverside vibes, Phnom Penh is an experience that will stay with you long after you leave. Thanks for coming along on this adventure with me. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, hit that subscribe button for more travel adventures, and let me know in the comments what your favorite part of Phnom Penh is. Until next time, keep exploring. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel guides and tips. See you in the next video.